but I have today ordered, not today, but it has come today. I will open it. I have been waiting for it for so long. Now let's open it and let's tear it apart. What the heck did I just do? We do not need this anymore. So let's open this box. This needs scissors. Just look at it like this. That will not work. I knew it. How can you do this? Like you do that, and then you do that, and you just do like that, and that, and that. Yes, I did it! Another box. Are you kidding me? We again do not need this. We will clean that up later. But this is the last package, maybe. So. Almost done with. This is taking some time, but it is the course of the video, a YouTube video. We do not need this. I will put it in the side. But it has finally come. A little bit broken package, but it has finally come. I will open it like this. This is my simple dimpl. I like it very much. So bye guys. Bye.